Are you having an anxiety attack?
Cosmo, our little chicken wing, our little corn on the cob. Well, Astros.
I think that's an anxiety reaction.
Astro, are you stressed?
Huh?
No, it's not.
Well, no, it's anytime somebody doesn't pay attention to him, he always does that.
Because he's over demanding. Like, watch. Stop petting him. Watch what happens.
He's doing it already. No, I just think it might be an anxiety reaction only because of the fact. Well, let's just say the beginning of his life was not exactly
Astro!
most optimal.
Astro, are you stressed? Is Daddy loving on you? You gonna sing for Mommy?
Ooh.
Sing for Mommy, Astro. Ooh, you like that?
Hey, if I get bit.
Astro, sing for Mommy. What? I want him to sing. Astro, sing for Mommy.
Listening to her go off is like funny.
Astro, sing for Mommy. Oh, sing. Astro, sing for Mommy. Oh, sing. Astro, indoor voices. Indoor voices. Sing for Mommy. Astro, indoor voices.
I'm trying to.
You are such an over-demanding puppy. Get your puppy. Ew, Astro. Get out of her hiney hole. No, get out of her hiney hole. No, get out of her hiney hole. Astro, I said get out of there. No.
I
No.
hope she farts all over your face.
That'd be wonderful.
All we hear is, and he runs. Here, buddy.
No, wait. He's gonna do it. Go. Sing for Mommy and Daddy. Sing.
Hey, buddy.
Sing. Hold on, wait. You both do it. Sing for Mommy.
That look is the best fuck you have ever seen in a while.
No, wait, no, I don't want to. Oh, Daddy.
It's not that.
Oh, Cosmo's like, excuse me, you're stopped.
Get your nose out of there. Get your nose out of her ass. Wait.
No, indoor voices.
Okay, that look kind of disturbed me.
Oh! Cosmo's like, excuse me.
Oh. Protect me from the bright light, Astro.
Bright light, bright light. Astro, you sing for mommy. Oh, woo, 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 woo. Oh, woo, 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 woo. Cosmo's just looking at you. Excuse me. I require your hands to pet my furry body. He's so calm and quiet and gentle. He's like a bull in a china shop, and well, so are you.
Please turn off that bright light.
I want you to know where to go. 7:52 in the morning, and he's already doing schoolwork.